For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The Rajapaksa brothers of Sri Lanka have secured a landslide victory in the country's parliament elections. Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa's Sri Lanka Podujana Party won 145 seats in the 225-member legislature. The party also has the support of at least 5 allies in the parliament. The SLPP's main opponent Samagi Jana Balavegaya obtained just 54 seats in the elections, which saw more than 75% of the 16.2 million eligible voters cast their ballots. People have once again imposed their full confidence in us. We will fulfill their aspirations and will always value the confidence they have placed in us. Heartfelt gratitude to all the Sri Lankans for placing their trust in President Gotabaya, myself and the Podujana Party and voting for the Saubhagya Dakkamma election manifesto in overwhelming numbers. The Prime Minister is likely to be sworn in the same position by his younger brother, President Gotabaya Rajapaksa. Political analysts say that the huge win could enable the Rajapaksa brothers to change the constitution and strengthen the dynastic rule. Following the results, Prime Minister Rajapaksa tweeted that the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi had called to congratulate him. Thank you, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, for your congratulatory phone call. With the strong support of the people of Sri Lanka, I look forward to working with you closely to further enhance the long-standing cooperation between our two countries. Sri Lanka and India are friends and relations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi replied in response to the acknowledgement by Rajapaksa. Thank you, Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa. It was a pleasure to speak to you. Once again, many congratulations. We will work together to further advance all areas of bilateral cooperation and to take our special ties to ever newer heights. Gotabaya Rajapaksa, who was elected president earlier in the month of November, dissolved the parliament in March and called for snap elections at the earliest. During the election campaigns, Rajapaksa had said that a victory would strengthen his resolve to develop the economy, which has taken a toll because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Critics of the Rajapaksa brothers fear that they want to end the presidential term limits, bring the judiciary under the direct control and extend their dynastic power to a new generation. Opposition parties in Sri Lanka have accused the Rajapaksa government of corruption, censorship and intimidation. However, political analysts in Sri Lanka feel that Gotabaya's push for strengthening the powers of the president at the expense of the powers of Prime Minister might lead to a rivalry between the siblings. Gotabaya Rajapaksa has been accused of human rights violations during the Sri Lankan civil war and also targeting those who showed dissent. Gotabaya Rajapaksa has denied all the allegations. A surge in Sinhala nationalism in the run-up to the elections has worried the Sri Lanka's minority communities. Muslim leaders in Sri Lanka say that the minority community is still reeling from the vilification that followed the devastating Easter Sunday suicide attacks by Islamist militants in 2019, which killed more than 260 people.